Hello everyone, I am Subhendu Acharjee. I am currently working with Ernst & Young in their technology consulting domain and leading their technology transformation piece for the global clients. I have a 14 years of work experience in a plant operation, manufacturing setup, as well as technology transformation in supply chain and manufacturing domain. Today I am here for the talk with the students, IRE talk with the students related to how technology or AI can transform the future workforce and how students should prepare for it. I found the students are lively, they are interactive, and they are enthusiastic enough to understand the business perspective. I wish GIBS business schools all the good works they are doing, all the very best for their future endeavors.